Everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I will show you how to fix your iPhone if you can't log into apps after an update or suddenly. So let's get started. First of all, swipe up to close all open apps, then go to the app store, either search for and update individual apps or tap your profile at the top of your screen and update all apps at once. This ensure your apps match the new iOS version. Then go to the settings on your phone, tap the general option. From there, scroll down and find the VPN and device management option. From there and tap it. If you have a VPN on, turn it off and try logging in again. If that doesn't work, delete the VPN. Then again go to the settings, tap the general option. From there and scroll down and find the date and time option. Tap on it and make sure it's set to the correct time zone or set to the automatic. Then again go to the settings on your phone, then scroll down and find the screen time option. From there tap on it, make sure downtime is turned off or adjust the allowed app list to ensure the app you are having issues with is allowed. Then for reinstall app, press and hold the app like this and tap the remove app option, then tap the delete app. Afterward, reinstall it from the app store. For reset password, if you are still having trouble, try resetting your password for the app. Then for force quick restart, press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears, and slide out for force restart. Okay, then for check iOS update, go to the settings, tap the general option. From there and you can see the software update option. Tap on it. If any update is available, just update it. Hopefully this fixes your login issues. If you found a better solution, share it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.